Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I will be showing you guys how I do my Twaid out today. I'm super duper excited. So I already sectioned my hair off. I did 4 to 5 sections doing top to bottom. And I've already applied the leave-in conditioner through my hair in the shower, so leave-in conditioner is already applied. And I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner to do that. Okay. And I have my Felicia Leatherwood brush to detangle my hair, which is extra good for Twaid out. A comb just to comb my tangles out. A spray bottle with warm water just to make sure my hair stays nice and damp. And I got me a little t-shirt just to make sure my hair is not too wet. So I'm taking out the first bottom piece. I'm kind of towel drying it, kind of like patting it, just so I don't have excess water on my hair. Because when I do this Twaid out, I don't want it to take forever to dry. And I'm applying the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout cream. This cream is so good for braid outs and twist outs. I'm super duper excited using it. In conjunction with the I'm not showing that part yet. I'm just going to apply the Twist and Shout cream. I'm going to pat my hair again and apply more cream. And combing my hair out, making sure all the twist out cream is easily distribute. Excuse me, I cannot talk. And I section off a piece of hair, clipping it up. I'm working with that small piece. I'm going to add the Wetline Extreme Gel to make sure I get some definition. I'm going to apply that from root to tip. I'm going to just add that in there. Adding my Felicia Leatherwood brush to make sure all of the products are evenly distributed. Use that word distribute again. I'm just adding a little bit more hair because I realized that piece was a little too small for my liking. Applying some more gel. And combing it out. Now mind you, I already tested out the product, so I know that it's not going to flake because I've already started. So, before I get started, I want to show you guys what I'm doing. I am already braiding my hair up, braiding it all the way down, and then I get halfway down, I start twisting the ends. So I'm starting with the braid, and then once I get to the middle, I start to switch, and I start twisting it and coiling my ends, making sure all of the hair is easily defined and ready to go. You see the excess white? I'm gonna take my t-shirt and just pat it so I don't have excessive moisture and product on my hair. And boom, y'all see that Twaid out? That Twaid out looks amazing. I'm just doing it again, showing you guys again. Clipping that up. Taking the gel. Brushing it out. And then I'm going to start with my braiding. Braiding the hair all the way down. Once I get halfway, I start to twist it. Coiling the ends. And then I wipe off the excess whiteness on my hair so it can dry evenly. And boom, y'all, that is how I'm going to do my Twaid outs. Okay, so once I'm all done with installing the Twaid out, I'm just showing you guys what my hair is looking like. Do y'all see that definition? Do y'all see those juicy twist braids? I love this. This is actually my 4th time doing this technique to my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sit on the dryer and put my bonnet on and show you guys how I take my hair down the next day. Okay, so I add the Main Choice exotic Kool-Aid oil, shine oil to my hands, and I start to unravel the braids, the twist braids, excuse me. And at first, I just start off by just unraveling them, just making sure I get it all out. Making sure my hands are coated with that oil because I do not want excessive frizz to my hair. We just don't want that. And boom, y'all, these are my results. Nice, fluffy Twaid out. I kind of overfluffed and overpicked, but I'm still not mad about it. The hair looks really good, defined, moisturized. I'm really thinking this is going to last me. I mean, I love it. I really love this Twaid out so much. Hair looks amazing. And that's it, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys, and I'll see y'all next time.